Hey guys, it's Jessica from ACP Accounting. I wanted to talk to you today about earned income credit. So, earned income credit can be given even if you don't have kids, depending on how much money you make. So, the credit can start at $506. And if you have several children and your income is in a certain ratio, it can be a credit that is worth up to $6,269 on your tax return. That's a huge credit. So there are some stipulations for the credit. One of the stipulations that the IRS is really cracking down on because of fraud and identity theft is that you show verification. So used to, people could just come in and be like, hey, I have a kid. Here's their social. I need to claim them. Give me some earned income credit. But now we need to have some kind of statement that shows that you actually have the right to claim them. A lot of times what happens is not always fraud, but divorced parents claiming the wrong children. I know some of my clients had even had that happen to them where X claimed them and it was really supposed to be their year. So this year, you need to make sure when you go to get your taxes done that you bring proof. It can be school record, it can be medical record, just something to show that the child was with you this year or that you're their primary guardian. Divorce papers, anything like that that shows that you're the main guardian for the child or that you're entitled to claim them this year. Because of all of the identity theft and the fraud that happens with earned income credit, because did you hear a second ago? I said you could get up to $6,269. The IRS is going to prolong issuing these refunds. So typically, as soon as the filing dates open, people start submitting their returns and then they get money back within 10 days. So a lot of people are anticipating by even having the refund by the end of January sometimes for this huge credit. Well, this year, they're not going to start to release those credits until after February 15th. So there will be a delay holding pattern on them. So let's say that you wait until the middle of February to submit your return. There still could be a holdup where the IRS kind of puts it on pause and evaluates the return to make sure that there's no suspicious activity. I know that for some people, this is a huge frustration, and this holdup only has to do with people who do claim the earned income credit. So if you're claiming the earned income credit, make sure you have your paperwork that shows that you have the right to claim them this year. Make sure you have social and date of birth and anticipate having to wait on that refund. Now, if you normally get earned income credit, a special deduction that you want to ask your accountant about is child daycare credit, dependency care credit. Make sure you're getting both along with that child tax credit. If you have any kind of questions about the children's credits and how they work, if your refund will be one of them that will be held up or not, feel free to ask us any of those kind of questions. You can message us on Facebook or you can send me an email to info@acpaccounting.com. If you're one of our clients, it will be a requirement that you bring that paperwork in if we don't have it on file for you. And I will go through the process for you in particular during your tax return appointment. Thanks. Have a great day.